Ticker symbol BXRX has been a biotech penny stock to watch lately, due to both the company hitting new milestones and industry momentum. BXRX focuses on hospital and related settings with regard to patients undergoing surgery. The company reported positive results from a second interim analysis of a phase 2 trial for its BX1000 last month. This platform is designed for patients undergoing elective surgery using total intravenous anesthesia. Commenting on the milestone, CEO Jerry Henwood stated, "With data from 50% of the planned total enrollment for this trial, these results provide us with confidence that BX1000 combined with our reversal agent BX3000 may provide a more precise control of neuromuscular paralysis for surgical patients, and have the potential to improve on total time of blockade and reversal compared to available agents. There could be some important data on the horizon. In a recent update, BXRX reported that it's expecting top-line results in late April, early May, which caught the attention of both investors and traders. Ticker symbol GMDA has been quiet the past few weeks, seeing a sell-off last month due to a bad earnings report. But now the stock is trading higher on some of the most significant volumes all year. GMDA is focused on turning cells into therapeutics, working with patients with solid tumors and blood cancers. Among other things such as a restructuring plan, the company outlined a strategy for advancing its cell pipeline, also continuing a phase 1 study of its GDA201 to eliminate tumors. Recently, the FDA granted regular approval of Omesurge to GMDA. Peter Marks, MD, PhD, Director of the FDA Center for Biologic Evaluation and Research stated, "Today's approval is an important advance in cell therapy treatment in patients with blood cancers. Hastening the return of the body's white blood cells can reduce the possibility of serious or overwhelming infection associated with stem cell transplants." This approval reflects the FDA's continued commitment to supporting the development of innovative therapies for life-threatening cancers. Ticker symbol NRBO share price went from sitting around 63 cents to running up to 97 cents during Monday's pre-market session. This move was accompanied by several critical milestones reached by the company. NRBO announced the submission of an investigational new drug application to the FDA for its phase 2A trial of DA1241. The company's chief executive officer and interim president Joe Hooker stated, "Filing of the IND for the DA1241 marks the first significant milestone for Neurabo, since acquiring the rights to this very promising cardiometabolic asset which is targeted to address the underserved NASH market." Some investors are focused on NRBO's filing on Friday. In an 8K, the company cited a previously reported warrant insurance to Donghae ST Co. Ltd. On April 12th, NRBO amended the warrants to remove the provisions which limited Donghae's right to exercise any portion of its warrants, if Donghae would beneficially own a number of shares of the company's common stock in excess of 4.99% of the shares of the company's common stock then outstanding. NRBO stated that the terms of the warrants remain otherwise unchanged. However, the company's stock has continued trading higher recently in light of the most recent developments. Ticker symbol NOTE stock price climbed as the company continues to recover over the last few weeks. NOTE reached 52-week lows of $1.31 last month and has since reclaimed a portion of that. This AI stock is one to watch as the company offers enterprise software as a service technology and policy and market intelligence. It's worth mentioning that the company secured a patent for AI-driven customer advocacy campaigns, which means NOTE can offer solutions for customers to create messages to advocates and policymakers, which then can be configured into identity-relevant message templates. This can allow for further optimization and bespoke design of messaging options. The company's chief technology officer and chief scientist, Dr. Vlad Edelman, stated, "This new patent represents an affirmation of the novel and innovative AI investments Fiskell continues to make every day, as we partner with our customers to develop and implement advocacy communications which further their goals and objectives in policymaking at all levels of government. We look forward to continuing our mission of AI innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in our industry, and breaking new frontiers in the application of AI across our portfolio of award-winning products and offerings." It's worth noting that NOT stock 5% short float became one of the vocal points of retail traders. Even though this isn't the most significant level compared to other short squeeze stocks, the stocks with high interest are trending lately.